Going to a charter school for the past 5 years of my life has been a completely interesting experience, especially when it comes to the reactions of people learning that I go to a charter school. As soon as I belt out the name of my school, people are quick to ask, "Oh, so you go to a private school, right?" To which I say, "No, I don't." And my favorite reaction, people sending me a link on Facebook entitled an article, 10 ways that charter schools are ruining your child's education. To which I say, no, absolutely not. Instead, charter schools have been truly an interesting experience for not only the development of my integrity and character, but the development of my understanding of the world around me. I know for a fact that I would not be the person I am today, as someone who has just graduated this past summer, if I had not gone to this school. We often have barriers as students, whether it's family situations, learning curves, or things so simple as being shy and being anxious. But I've come to realize that charter schools are a microcosm of how to solve problems. We look past just the cookie-cutter understandings of how to educate children, but mesh together a different understanding that we all have obstacles that can be overcome if we have a diverse, unknowingly amazing mindset when it comes to educating our children. As a Hispanic American, I could say specifically that I have struggled with my identity. But going to the school has taught me something very important, that there's not just one answer. In the same way, there is not just one person to educate. In public school, I feel as if I got lost in the bureaucracy. In public school, I often felt as if I got lost in the bureaucracy, got lost in big, gigantic classrooms with a large amount of students, a insurmountable amount of students, and very, very stressed teachers. But going to the school has been an individual experience. I have been approached as if I'm a human being, not just a checklist in some kind of curriculum. I have struggled with mental illness, and on top of my identity issues, it's been a tough 18 years. But I've never had a school experience until 8th grade that when people came up to me, friends, and especially teachers and administration, taking an interest in what I want to be and the people I want to meet and the experiences I want to have before I graduate high school. I've gone into programs that are unmatched across the valley, like speech and debate, mock trial, all the way down to A-STEM in 8th grade, and I've learned that I'm not just a cookie cutter. I'm an individual. And that's why we need to embrace individual education and learn that these students are human beings above everything else, and we should not be lost in the politics of school districts that are not looking in the best interests of students, but instead embrace that school choice is not just a choice of schools, but a choice to take education into our own hands and learn that we can learn diversely, empathetically, together. Thank you.